All right, if you're looking for a solid Ranger, check this one out. It's a 1999 Ford Ranger XLT Super Cab 4x4. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. It's actually only a 3-owner truck. It's also actual miles. 128,947, spent the majority of its life and miles in Montana, and it shows. We're going to get into that in just a little bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 3-liter V6 power, automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front bumper, grill, headlights not fogged out, faded, bug shield already installed. There's also a list of service work that's been done on this. This truck's turnkey, ready to go. Amazon green metallic paint, has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. And when I say check out the still pictures, start with the underside. Underside's been undercoated. Look at the truck from every angle in the still pictures. Look at the lower rockers above and around those wheel wells. Interior, bed. Check those still pictures all out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Ranger wheels. BF Goodrich radials, we're going to get in that in a little bit. But first, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, there's some touch-up spots. There's some imperfections. It's a 99. It's been driven. But look, when I'm talking about around this fender flare and wheel well, if this was a Midwest truck, it'd be gone. Running board's already installed, great shape. And then look at these lower rockers. Cab corners. Still has the protective coating for rock chips. What it came with new. Again, back to the lower. And then around that wheel well in the bed of it. I've seen these things flapping in the wind before here in Minnesota where it's all rusted out. Again, this truck, majority of its life and miles spent in Montana. Interior, split bench seat, neutral or cloth, camel colored cloth. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. This is like a brand new access cover. It looks like it was just installed. The bed liner in this thing, also in great shape, and it's thick enough. So bed liner installed. Check that out in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, so recent service work done to this. There's receipts for a coolant flush, front brakes, front and rear shocks, control arms, upper and lower ball joints, wheel speed sensor, serpentine belt, and fuel filter. It's ready to roll. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Again, how solid that is around the wheel wells. Look through, look at the frame. You can see where I'm talking about undercoating. And again, look at the underside pictures. Judge for yourself. Up and down the driver's side, really full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches once again. And you know what? You can get into this truck without breaking the bank. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. How about the bottoms of the doors? Look at that. You just don't see them like that around here. If you're looking for one of these, I wouldn't wait. This thing's not going to last long. Seating surfaces, decent shape. Yeah, there's a little bit of a hole right there. It's not perfect, but still nice condition. You need a 4x4. Here you go, headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So we do have tilt column, cruise control, AM/FM CD player. There's the exact miles, 128,947. No service engine soon light, check engine soon, anything like that. Gauges are all working. That was a cold start, I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. AM/FM radio working.
650 tickets are sold. Need not be present to win. Visit makeunited.org.
Electronic transfer case, your switch for transfer case. Come over here, 4-wheel drive engaged. Again, AC. Dash looks great. Go back into 2-wheel drive. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood too, so I can reach it. There we go. But first, let's take a listen. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, 3-liter V6 power. Just smooth running. All right, let me get up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this a second. There'll be a prop rod. Get that hood open. And then again, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood. Look at that. There's no salt residue, much grime at all. It's a 99. That is clean. The other thing I noticed is how clean this radiator is. It's not all banged up with rocks, pebble chips, bugs, anything like that. Engine bay, nice and tidy. Running smooth. Well cared for truck out of Montana. Call us 507-386-1726, 1999 Ford Ranger XLT Super Cab 4x4. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics are. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Ford Ranger. This is an extended cab 4x4. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry and we do clean our vehicles so we can do these drive videos for you. This Ranger is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Show of hands, who's ridden in the back of a mini truck? In those little fold down seats, perhaps? Maybe you were a kid, maybe you were not a kid. Fun trucks. Small enough to be lots of fun, easy to park, and capable 4x4s with a decent sized bed yet. Stereo works good.
On your list, homey farm toys. Melissa and Doug.
The interior is amazing on this truck, I would say. The dash is great, the door panel's great, carpet. Maybe one little cigarette burn is what I noticed in the seat. Headliner looks great. It honestly rides like a new truck. This is, you know, just over 100,000. She's barely kind of broken in. They're reliable trucks from the 90s. Fuel gauge shows over half a tank. The temperature almost half. Oil pressure halfway up the gauge as well. And the battery halfway up the gauge as well. That's kind of how they were back then. High, low, right in the middle is where you want it on that gauge. Easy to steer, corners well. Really clean looking truck. And a green that looks good. Four-wheel drive right here with the flick of a knob. Overdrive able to be turned off if you're going to tow anything. Just a great Ranger from 1999. Look at all the pictures of this truck over at UniqueClassicCars.com.